So, nagtanong si Scalog sa ating Rocket.ph video if they are still hiring or kung may nag-hire ba ng web developer. Kaya tingnan natin. So, para malaman yan is pumunta tayo dito sa jobs. Click natin yan. And then, itype natin dito yung online job. So, tinype ko yung web developer and then press enter. So, naglabasan po dito yung mga web developer na jobs. So, unfortunately, hindi po siya remote, which means hindi siya online. On-site po siya sa Mandaluyong, Metro Manila, Philippines, full-time and mid-level skill. So, you can just take a look dito yung general responsibilities, requirements, benefits, and all. So, kung tingin mo para sa iyo ito, at kung malapit ka naman somewhere in Mandaluyong, Metro Manila, Philippines, well, i-grab mo na. Pwede ka mag-submit ng application. And kung